The founder and director of the Swazi Rally, Carlos Paiva, says all is set for the 24th edition of the Swazi Rally, which starts on Friday.
All is set. These are the words revealed by the founder and director of Swazi Rally, Mr. Carlos Paiva, when we visited the Riders Range ahead of the 24th edition of the 2017 Swazi Rally. Mr. Paiva said a lot has changed in this coming rally, with of course different surprises for those who will attend.
Njengoba ubona kune entrance lentsha, kune camping area lentsha, nakhona sakhe sibaya kuletha le nakuzane yakangwane, kukhona ke nako lesibaya sethu kuletha leswazi flavor khona. Cha ungathi konke kwamanje kubheke ngakhona kuyendeka.
He highlighted that over 3,000 bikers attended last year's edition, but the number could be different this year.
Kusho ukuthi kugcwala kwalamahotela ngiyo indlela lesicala ku sort of sibukabuke ukuthi ngabe badobangangani labantu. Kepha ama prepaid entries masibuka wona vele akukhulumi kahle ukuthi badotheleka ngendlela letside ngoma vele labantu ma bikers vele abavamanga ukuthi ukhanze ukuthi bayavela nje bangenelwa lunga ukuthi cha siyakhona vele batheleke.
Mr. Paiva concluded emphasizing that entry tickets are still available. He noted that there will be two different gates on the day, one specifically for the motor vehicles and the other one for the bikes. The rally begins this Friday on the 25th till Sunday on the 27th August this year. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Msonera, Susana Mabuza, Stogoto.